not for Jewish.
I know,
okay.
but exactly, and you're promoting propaganda and lies.
See, whatever. I hope you are an educated person.
This is promoting racism and propaganda.
Like only Jews are there.
But this is promoting sectarianism.
Here we have Hindu, Christian. You have any complaint, you should go there and complain.
But they're not going to take it down.
You should not tell.
I already do. Continue.
See, this world is for everyone, not for Jewish.
I know,
okay.
but exactly, and you're promoting propaganda and lies.
See, nobody else there.
There
nobody
are
else
Muslims
come
there.
there.
There is 3 million Muslims that live, and they're Israeli Arabs.
You have any complaint, you should go there and complain.
But they're not going to take it down.
You should not tell.
I already do.
This world is for everyone, not for Jewish.
I know,
okay.
but exactly, and you're promoting propaganda and lies.